once again to my guitar tutorial. Remember, this is the guitar lessons for beginners and is one of the series of the 14-day lesson that will help you to learn how to play the guitar, playing all the major chords and all the minor chords. So if you are new to this channel, please subscribe to this channel and follow along with us. Click on the bell icon so that whenever we drop these videos, you'll be able to learn it. Grab your guitar and let's get into that. Today we are going to learn the very first of the minor keys. Remember, we are on the day 8. Actually, we have 7 major keys and 7 minor keys. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. There are 7. Just the same thing we have do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti. So 7 of them. That is what we have as major. We have the major form and then the minor form, how we can play it on the guitar. And we have done all the major ones. The link is here. If you are interested, you go there and see it. Now let's get into learning the first of it. We normally begin with C because C is the easiest, so to say. So we're going to learn today not C major but C minor. So remember, this is our finger. This is the thumb, number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4. Your thumb here. Then with your finger number 1, you are not going to hold behind the first fret or the second fret. You are not going to go up all the way to the 3rd fret. So we are going to use finger number 1 to hold strings number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hard, is it? But you can do that. It's not too hard. When you have held it this way, you can now do another thing. You use the finger number 2 to hold the string number 2, just like the diagram indicates there, and then behind the 4th string. Okay, so our finger number 3 will now hold the string number 1, 2, 3, 4 behind the 5th fret, while the pinky finger will now hold the 3rd string behind the 5th fret also, just like the diagram indicates. So when we have it this way, we now begin to strum. Or we begin to strum not from number 6, because number 6 is a crossed string, not an open string. You have X there. So we begin from number 5. So let's grab our plectrum. You can do it with hand, but let's do it with plectrum. Remember how we hold our plectrum. That is how you play it. See how our hands are. Also refer to the diagram. So this is how you play the minor, the C minor key. So while the C major key is this way, for C minor now we have to go all the way up to 3 here, hold the 3 here, the 5 strings here, and then place our fingers accordingly as it is here. We can now play it. If you like this video, please give it a thumb up and share it to others. If you have any problem, please indicate in the comment section. And if you are new here, please subscribe to this channel and then click on the bell icon. See you tomorrow for a new one. Tomorrow we are going to learn how to play key F minor. Alright, see you next time.